Hi, today we're in this lovely Columbus neighborhood of Greenfield Estates. We're here at 968 Kenwood Road. It's a beautiful neighborhood just outside of Upper Arlington, Ohio. Over here we have beautiful Columbus E. Cole French Immersion School, and over here on this side we have the St. Timothy's Catholic School. This home is virtually low maintenance. It's got beautiful red brick and stucco. It's got a newer roof put on in 2015. It's got a brand new driveway done in 2019, and it has a beautiful oversized 2-car garage. And here we are in this beautiful spacious backyard. Let your imagination run wild with the space here. It's a canvas blank for your enjoyment. Here we have this little area which would make a great place for you to do gardening, maybe vegetables, spices, whatever you like. It's yours for the taking. Come on, let's go in and check out this beautiful home. Now that we're inside 968 Kenwood, here in the living room, which has brand new carpet and brand new paint in 2021 and newer windows, we also have this lovely fireplace. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Now we're here in the kitchen. Everybody loves the kitchen. It's a beautiful, spacious kitchen with newer stovetop, newer in-the-wall oven and dishwasher and garbage disposal. Has lots of counter space and cabinetry. And here we have this lovely island that has lots of cabinetry on both sides. And it moves right into the dining area that flows right into the family room, which has new canned lighting in the ceiling, beautiful wood beams, and a lovely view of the outside backyard. If you remember when we were in the living room, we talked about the fireplace. Well, in the family room, there's a fireplace as well. It's a gas starter and a wood burner, and it's really nice, and it goes through to the other side. Hey, Jeff, you gotta check this out. Wow, that's really cool. And here we are in the owner's suite. It's one of the 3 bedrooms. All the bedrooms have brand new carpet and paint. It also has double closets. And the owner's suite also has its own bathroom with a new vanity and newer fixtures and great lighting. Yeah, I'm down in the basement. I'm showing a house. Yeah, they're here. I'll talk to you later. Hi, we're down in the basement here at 968 Kenwood. Right behind me is this brand new electrical panel that just got put in 2021. It's all upgraded to 200 amp service. It's a spacious dry basement with a newer sump pump. It's got washer and dryer, furnace, all the things that your basement could want. And we also have this spacious area here in the basement that's ripe for finishing. Imagine what you could do with this space. Thanks for coming by 968 Kenwood. We loved having you. Check us out online and look at our Matterport 3D tour so you can get a more up-close and personal look at the home. Or give me a call and I'll take you on a personal tour. I look forward to seeing you.